O gobyerno de Aruba ahasi uma impressão grande na América aceita por meio reação do ex-presidente de Costa Rica, atual diretor de Carbon War Room, e também forma parte do panel de discussão na América, do qual o vice-presidente de América a atender. Está convencido que o Caribe tem hope potencial.
The Caribbean has several things in this favor. First, it has strong winds, at least 7 meters per second, which are comparable to the best winds in the world. Second, it has sun, capable of delivering over 5 megawatt hours per square meter of solar panels. And third, it has very high energy costs today, which can be lowered by moving to renewables. So it makes a lot of sense for countries to go in that direction. What I was particularly pleased with was to hear the Vice President Biden talk of Aruba's leadership under Prime Minister Eman in shifting towards renewables and moving to a low-carbon economy. That is the future, and I'm glad to see that other countries that attended this summit were actively talking to Prime Minister Eman in terms of learning a lot more about the experience and seeing how they could cooperate and learn from each other.
Com a apresentação a Sidor de Aruba e a reação que segue depois de outro país no Caribe, se está reforçar a boa relação de Aruba com a América, e isso é mais importante no quadro de turismo, mas também no nosso manejo de energia.
This is an opportunity to reset the relationship between the United States and the Caribbean, and it's also an opportunity for the Caribbean to reset its own economic growth based on energy that is cheaper, safer, renewable, and of which they have in abundance. So it does make a tremendous amount of sense for the U.S. to be supportive of these initiatives, which, however, have to be homegrown and have to come out of the region as a necessity, as their plans that we can then fully support.
O presidente de Carbon War Room está fanático fiel de Aruba, não somente gusta nos isla como atração turística, mas também para nos determinação séria para dar exemplo de manejo de energia para a gente e região caribense.